Look, Audrey. The chicken. See? We got chicks over there. And there's a goat. Yeah, there's a goat. There's Auntie Rowena over there. See? We have goats here in the Philippines.
We have jackfruit.
Yeah, and jackfruit. Yeah, yummy jackfruit. I'm here. See? There's a baby Joey over there. Joey, di ba pagka baby?
Malay ko.
Joey yata yung tawag. Huwag niyo kong awayin. Over there, the baby. A baby. Yeah, come on, baby. Baby goat. Yay, baby goat. Hello, baby. Hello, say hi.
Yan pa, yung maliit na baka doon.
Asan ba? Sa labas. Baka sugahin ako nito mga to.
Kita mo kay Audrey.
Let's go see the cow. Yeah, we see the cow. Matutuwa si Audrey to. Auntie Rowena will show us the cow.
Ano? Tumakbo na.
Ah, hello, baby cow. There. Yung anak mo talaga makulit eh. Ubaring ko raw yung medyas ko. Tisuot ko daw yung slipper.
Ganaw, nakakulay.
There's the papa cow. There's the papa.
Mama.
Ay, mama cow. Hello, mama cow. Ay, si ate cow. Ate cow and the baby cow is over there. La, bye-bye. Mi, ay. Nananakot siya. Nananakot siya. Ayan. Huwag mo kong rakutin.
Pero usok. Ika ba?
See, Audrey? It's so nice to live in the Philippines. See?
Wala pang isang buwan.
Laki na niya. Grabe. Sa'yo yan?
Sa kuya ko.
Ah. Oh, say bye-bye na. Oh, bye-bye, cow. Oh.
Pagkita sa'yo.
Oh.
Nagtago na. Ang tarayan di kang tanong.
There's dogs. And the dogs. Don't bite me, dogs.